He's awake. Mommy wake you up? Did Mama wake you up? I'm sorry. Yeah. You hear him whining? Dad has it work. Misses him terrible. Okay, we're gonna go now. It's almost like you raise your little hand to say bye. We'll see you again soon. Say bye-bye, Jacob. Oh, there's a big yawn. Okay. Say bye-bye. Go. 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 Whoa. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Come on. Come on, turkey butt. Come on, turkey butt. Josh, what are you doing? Hey, Joshua.
What?
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Oh, is this how you want everybody to remember you? Huh? You wait till you see this when you're about 21. You'll say, boy, was that ornery. Huh? Nah, don't get in the camera. Stop, that's rude. Joshua.
Can you get a closer look?
No. No, you can't.
Say hi, Mommy. Can I take a picture? Can I hold
No.
Mom?
You can go over there and sit, though.
No. Say hi, Mommy. I never got to film, though. Hi. You want to please? Only do it for a second.
No, Joshua. You can do the camera, not the camcorder.
There.
So today, Kimmy visited him just all day, and Jacob slept. Oh, but maybe one time between 9:30 and 5. He woke up one time to eat.
See, I slept all day. And now I'm up for 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'm actually awake. So Aunt Kimmy just changed my diaper and I peed all over her. So we like to do that.
Mom, where's the camera? On to the picture.
Okay.
Do you know where the camera?
So we're going to see everybody later. Say bye.
Say bye-bye.
He looked, he knew the camera was on. We're catching the tail end of Daddy feeding him his first baba.
His baba.
Mommy says it took about an hour. It took me about 10 minutes.
Oh, now come on. He looks like he's having a good time. So we're trying to give him a little bit of formula just in the evening, one time, to see maybe if we can sleep a little better.
Doctor said it was okay.
Yeah, doctor said it was okay. We confirmed that on Monday. Poor little thing got a shot in the leg and had a PKU test in his foot. So he cried himself to sleep. He didn't like that at all. He says, Dad, that's good.
Said, Mommy, it's empty.
Totally?
I can't fill it up much more.
Take good bit fills the nipple.
Yeah, there's still singing.
He says, yummy, yummy.
They're doing good.
So we just got home from church, and he was an angel, couple squeaks. Of course, everybody smiled.
He's holding his hands still.
Yeah, he's content right now. He says, I'm being fed. My belly's getting full. Say it's 2 days for your big brother's birthday. He'll be 7. Say trick or treat tomorrow night. So unfortunately, Jacob can't participate this year. Maybe next. We'll have to see. At least ride along in the car, if anything. So we're gonna go check the Bubba. There's still a little bit in there.
There it is.
It sucks all up. It's so hard to tell.
Yeah. Burpee?
They got a burpee in Daddy's ear.
Big burpee.
Yep, see, he's pointing at the camera. He says, over there it is, Daddy. Getting stronger every day. He likes to hold his head up a lot more now. All bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. And It's okay, we're gonna go now. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Today is Joshua's 7th birthday. Look at his little brother sitting there looking at him.
Look here. Is he really?
Look at him. Look at him. He says, give me some attention, Joshua. We're about ready to go to Grandma Donna's. As you can see, we have our pumpkin, and of course Jacob's diaper bag, and his chair. We have a sword, and our outfit's in there. Joshua, where's your pumpkin? Now stop, because that makes it blurry. Where's your pumpkin flashlight?
Pumpkin?
So today, Jacob and I went in and took chocolate chip cookies to Joshua's classroom. Yeah, it is. Now don't. Okay, well, we gotta go because we're gonna get ready for Daddy now. Daddy should be calling us, letting us know that we're gonna be going to McDonald's before we go to Grandma's. Say happy birthday, Joshua. Say happy birthday. Say we'll see you later. Say bye-bye.
You ready?
Very cheap, yeah. Not even. No. It'll make it glare.
I knew you were going to buy it.
Kevin, tell me when you're out of tape, I'll get you
A monster
on my
truck.
camcorder.
Alright.
Remote control. It's remote control one.
Oh,
Oh,
Wow,
man, that's
who
cool.
got you that?
that's big.
I think my best friend.
Well, isn't that nice?
Yeah, that car, did you open up the
Yeah, go
car?
in there and monitor him, will you? Help him out.
Where's the cord at?
Card's
Right
on
there,
top
right
of
there,
it.
right there.
What's the card say?
Open the card.
Why don't you sit down up there, Mommy?
Huh?
Why don't you sit down up there and so you can help him out?
Okay. Give me the paper. Danielle. Give me the paper. Thank you.
I got you.
All right, sit on the floor, Terry.
What's it say?
That's how you spell quit. No.
I guess wait a minute, I spelled your name right on your card, didn't I?
G-I-N-G-O-N.
Yeah. Okay, put your card, give me the card. Put on the card. Did you tell him thank you?
There's the card, man. Oh, that's the
That's another
envelope.
card.
Oh, it's that way.
Did you say thank you?
Mm-hmm.
Open the card
Open the
first.
card. Who's it from? Yeah, he's excited.
So we're gonna take the card and find out. That's what you got? Josh, you didn't get to come over here and sit down, huh? You just wanna keep the couch warm, don't you?
You got the card first?
Who's that